What's up everybody, it's Mr. Bald back at it. Hey, I just wanted to talk about an item that I've had for over a year, and I can't believe I haven't made a video on this. Of all the videos I do, especially of my Ryobi products, Ryobi, however you want to say it, this light that I use all the time I have not done a video on, and I love this light. This light is a hybrid because you can plug it in, extension cord, or you can put in a battery. And the features on this light, for one, you have this hook here. So if you want to hang it up on something and face it towards you, you can do that. So you have the hook. You also have, sorry, I just got to eat peanuts and Dr. Pepper. I'm a Texan. You have this right here so you can hang it on a wire or a rope, however you want to do it. You also have one hole right in the middle. You can actually technically put a screw in there and screw it to the wall. And on this, you have your power button right here. And the setting right here, so you can adjust it up and down. If you put it tight, see how it falls? If you put it tight, it's not going to do that. When I got the Ryobi fan, that's what I was looking for. I thought I had to adjust it, but it's actually self-adjusting with just the right attention, all that good stuff. So let me get that Ryobi fan and show you what I'm talking about. It's actually on right now, but you see how the Ryobi fan, it doesn't do that. You can just self-adjust it and it's perfectly setting, not too stiff, not too loose. Well, this one, you set it on your own to where you want it to be. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the battery in it and see how it works. Let's see here. Push that down. Very bright. I'll actually do a test outside and show you guys. Alright, so that's not going to do it justice, but I love this light. Sometimes I'll just pick it up and use it as a flashlight. I'm surprised this camera still works after turning it on, facing it. It is super bright. I mean, look at this. Sorry, it's dirty. It's been out in the barn. Super bright. Let's just take it outside and show you what I'm talking about. Oh, and real quick, before we take it outside, I wanted to show you my favorite mount because this is the mount I always use. You see this groove here? This is a 2x4 groove. You can literally just place that right over a 2x4 if it's in your barn or a piece sticking out, and it fits perfect. So this is a 2x4 slot. Just slide that right over it and just leave it sitting there. But anyway, let's do the test. Alright, so you see it's pretty much dark outside. It is raining slightly and then lightning. But let's turn this on and show you what it's all about. I mean, look at that. Let's say, let's set it right on this chair here. Let's say it was just sitting there. You needed to do some work outside. That is what you get. This thing is super bright. Let's aim it at the neighbor's trees. I mean, look at that. You have a whole backyard lit up from one light that will last you a long time. So let's go in the barn. So here it is, the barn with all the man tools. It's kind of a mess again, actually, but let's say I was actually sitting at this desk. You have complete light. Let me set it on the 2x4 that I usually use. So there it is. You see how that 2x4 sticks out? I did that on purpose. So I could set the light right on it. And let's say I was working in the barn. Let's say I just wanted to use the light. Look, this is what you get. It lights up the entire barn. I can work at this bench right here if I wanted to. If I wanted less light, I could just point it up and just kind of come out here and just relax and chill and be mellow. So as you see, I've done many videos on the tour barn, or the barn tour anyway, so if you want to check out those vids, go check them out. We'll get to all of that later. The conversation of the night is this light. Super bright. So yeah, just wanted to show you what you can do with this bad boy. I always use it. I don't like to drag the extension cord out. I like to plug the battery right up to it, get out here and do what I need to do. Same with that fan I have, and get going. So definitely a Ryobi fan. Love that I can switch out the battery on all my tools and go from there. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you on the next one. See ya.